called my stir-fried rice. Stir-fried beef rice. And I got this tender beef in there. They got the mushrooms in there. Look at the mushrooms in there. Ooh, look at that. And then I got the rice, and I got a gravy to this, and it is fabulous. It's just a really good side meal. You can eat it by yourself. Just eat without eating anything with it. Just eat that by itself. And you can also add fish to this. If you want fish and you don't want to put anything else but beef or chicken, use fish. You can use any fish you want, but put it last to make sure that it won't get all soggy. This is a recipe that I just come up with so you can sit and eat and enjoy this broccoli and this rice and this beef and the onions and the garlic and the bell peppers. Not bell peppers in this one, y'all, but you know how I go. Blah, blah, blah. Well, anyway, this is what it is, and I want to show you this wonderful, wonderful dish, and it's easy to make. Don't take long to do it at all. This is how I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And always go to my website, soulfoodqueen.net, and get more recipes that you might miss when I haven't done it on the video. This is how I'm going to say happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. All right, this is a presentation of my beef stir broccoli and mushrooms and rice. It is delicious, y'all. I have the recipe over soulfoodqueen.net, so you can do this recipe. I didn't have time to do step by step, but I wanted to share it with you anyway so you can see what's going on in my kitchen. Look at that. These mushrooms are so beautiful, and I love mushrooms. Now, you can substitute fish if you don't want to do it with beef. You can do that, but this is so magnificent with the beef. The juices, the taste, the broccoli, everything that's in there tastes real good. Now, this right here is what you call a quick and easy meal. But you just come home and stir it up, and hey, you got dinner on the table. This is how I'm going to tell you happy eating, and look at this beautiful, beautiful presentation of this stir-fried beef, broccoli, and mushroom stir-fried with rice. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Oh, it tastes good too, y'all. The kitchen smells so wonderful. So you get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net and go over there and look at those recipes, something you might have missed, and you might want to do it again. This is Sandra. I want to say happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel.